your girl Nettemariettee, and I'm back with another video. Period. So y'all, today I just dropped the fuck up my phone. It's Wednesday, March 6th, and it's 5:54 p.m. currently. And today I was like, let me just pick up my camera and vlog. Like, I don't know, like, I just miss uploading on YouTube, and I need videos stacked up so I could just upload and drop it anytime, you feel me? So today, me, my mom, my little brother, we're gonna go skating, because y'all, I've been wanting to go skating for like, I don't know how long, and like, I don't know, like, I'm not doing anything else, so it's like, why not? And I wanted to go with my friends, but they're busy, they got their own lives, so I'm like, okay, cool, like, I still want to go though. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just go with my mom and my little brother. Like, they like skating, you know, we all know how to skate, so it's like, okay, cool. But I'm finna show y'all the outfit of the day. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to put my camera, but it's not see for real. But I just got on this two-piece set, and I got on these fluffy shoes. It really don't matter what shoes I wear because I'm gonna put on my skates or whatever. But y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm already getting hot in this, so I might not even wear this. I might just put on a regular shirt because, child, I'm gonna be skating. First of all, let's start there. And it's finna be like, it's finna be hot. Like, I'm not trying to be hot, but this is what I have on. This two-piece set. I think I got this from Beauty Master like last year or something. I don't remember. I've been had it though. Y'all, I cannot wait to get my hair done, but I'm trying to not get my hair done until it's close to my birthday. Hashtag Aries gang. If you're Aries, drop it down in the comments below. Period. But what I was gonna say, yeah, I'm probably finna put on my put on a shirt or whatever and not wear this long sleeve shirt because I'm already getting hot. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is a little cute outfit. I'll wear it another time. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna see y'all in the car. Yeah, I'm trying to see if my tripping, because I just got this car tripod, y'all. So we finna start being able to do, like, you know, little car videos or whatever. Yeah, I got it zoomed in, that's why like my head kind of cut off. But I got Kanai with me. Kanai, say hey.
What's good?
Okay, and we're finna go get gas first. I think my mom gonna meet us up there, or she probably just not gonna come because she did just get off work, so I don't know. But why it's not playing? So we're just gonna wait patiently. There we go, y'all. I had to turn my Wi-Fi off. Alright, y'all hurry up.
I don't text that I sent. Instead of blowing up your jet, you leave and then come back. Is you going or you staying? It's like I'm running out of time. Why would you need space? When you leave me for dead. I'm still alive. Girl, don't leave me. If you don't like the way you look, I'll buy your body. Girl, I love the way you look, don't change your body. Hey, we can fuck inside my truck, shit, why I buy it? Hey, when you need it on the clothes, I was there. Baby, you can call me when you need me, I'm there.
I'm good to y'all when we get to the skating rink, cause yeah, I'm not doing nothing but listening to music. Y'all peep my little Tokyo souvenir. Hold on, do y'all see it? I don't even know if y'all can see it, but it say Tokyo or whatever. Why the fuck they looking at me? They ain't never seen the camera. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all at the skating rink. Y'all, we made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Y'all, it's dark in here. Like, I don't know why not looking at me, but what was I finna say? Yeah, it's not that many people in here, but yeah, I'm putting on my skates. Real skater girl. Y'all, I had to change from my fluffy slides because it was wet outside. I had to put music over all of this. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I hope y'all can though. But I'm just gonna put on my skates and I'll see y'all on the floor. Why you struggling? Why you struggling?
sweet for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Sweet for me when I don't go.
Tell me if she still love me. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now.
My goddamn, it looks like I'm sweating, but I'm not. I got on Vaseline. Y'all, I'm tired my legs and feet hurt, like, and they not trying to get me copyrighted, like, fuck. She popped champagne because she got that. But I'm finna put my camera up and skate a little bit because I can't hold this camera and skate how I want to skate. But, it's 7:20. Y'all, why they low-key trying to play that high shit? Once I come sit down because I'm tired of skating. Hold on. All that. Hold on. And on. It's kids in here. Let me not. Y'all.
Tell me if she still love me. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just a joke, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this morning.
Y'all, it's hard to try to skate with
And again, I can be drunk.
I should have brought my tripod.
Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like buses. I just any money with the prices. I think she ain't even really my type, and now yeah, she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and now
In the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Classy bitch, but you know we be outside with it. In the beat, 100 deep in the section, we be wildin'. Won't catch me playing with no broke nigga, that's childish. What's up, G-Way? Like, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to come over here and show y'all my hair. It's really nothing to it. Don't mind the clothes in the back. Gotta do laundry. But just wanted y'all to see a raw, real bad on y'all screen. Pop, 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 pop. I don't need no friends. I just wanna win. I got this new Benz and it's all I need. She listened to her friends. They wanna get in. Y'all, we going to Six Flags. Y'all, we at the park. Me and Carrington want to swing. What the fuck is that? Animal? Y'all, I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh, what are those? Nah, I was trying to put the camera up, but they're trying to bother me. Okay. So, why it's so low? The swing low as it. Let me put my. Matter of fact, I'll put y'all right here, maybe. My tripod. Cause see, it's not the best. Like, I'm gonna just hold the damn camera. What about that? I'm gonna leave my phone on the floor. Guarantee if I put them feet on this camera. Alright, let's swing. Shit loud though. Like you trying to say something. They been trying to say, get off of me, please. Y'all, it's too low. I can't even swing correct. You got time. Bro, I can't hold the camera and swing. I'm going sideways. Bro, Carrington, bro. I already scraped my foot. Cutting out over there. I don't know what he's doing. Ow! Damn, I heard that shit. Y'all, she just scraped the out of her butt on that chalkboard. Oh, It flew off. I was trying to slow it down. Oh,
Please don't scrape your feet. Nah, I can't.
Recording or no?
Yeah, it's recording.
Stop it and do a new one so it won't be long.
Hold on, my thighs.
Ah, stop the video.
Which one is he? This one or this one?
The flat one, the one that's covered.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Look at this child. Like, what are you doing, bro?
Bro, it's too low.
Let's play, let's do banana.
Oh, hell.
But nobody's here to push us. What the fuck? Nobody's here to push us, y'all.
I haven't done it in years. That's a big ass dog.
Y'all look at the police dog.
I don't think he's paying attention.
Yeah, he not.
That's what I need to be doing.
What?
Running my fat ass.
Bro, come on.
What are we doing?
Banana. Oh, this shit hurt. Oh.
Hold up, baby.
Cause I gonna have to come push us. Hold on, y'all.
Ankle.
My leg is not actually.
Hey. She like scales.
Can you see that on camera? Y'all, that is so embarrassing. I mean, hey.
This is uncomfortable as shit. Who the fuck came up with this shit?
Come on.
I don't like it.
Wait, you want to do it that way? You want your
I don't
legs
like
go
this.
go in the middle?
I don't like it.
Come on. What the
Bro, you gotta understand that shit is weird.
It's not weird. It's fun. You never did this in elementary school, but y'all
I
comment down
did
below if you ever did this.
It was different when I was a kid.
Say I did the banana. Comment. I did the banana. If you made this front of all, gang, chat. Comment.
Go down the slide.
Alright, wait. That look, y'all.
Ain't got no damn monkey bar.
This. Yes, they do.
Where?
Right here.
What monkey in the bar is that?
I used to go down the pole. Wait, nigga, that squirrel acting like he a dog. Bro, these squirrels is vicious, bro. The monkey bars are right here. This is more the exotic side. I'm finna go. Who left their stuff? Y'all, I'm finna go down the slides. I can't do no monkey bar. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, okay. This dirty ass part. Am I gonna get stung?
I've never done monkey bars. Like, I can't do them.
Me either. Come get me going down the slide.
It's harder.
Ready? Hold up, I can't see her.
Alright, that's how I popped out.
Nigga, come down.
Oh, that shit stinging me. Alright,
Come down the slide.
should I go down my stomach? No, hell no.
Can you even see if the slide properly works? Like you gonna slide smoothly?
What
the fuck just popped?
What? I just go so fast down this baby slide.
What the hell popped?
Wait, nothing pop.
I heard something pop.
Can now you go down the slide? Let me see some. If I could do what you could do. Is it? Oh, that's not dangerous, bro. This is the exotic side. I don't know what this is supposed to be. This shit right here spins. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all up so y'all can see. Yeah, this.
Oh shit. How you work?
I think you just.
Was this here when we came? Oh hell no. Wait. Oh, I'm not doing that shit. Run. Try to run. Try to keep going. Oh hell.
I don't think this works anymore.
Wait, try to push me. Push me on it. Oh.
It took the damn thing.
Push me on it. Wait. Oh. I filmed it, vlog. I hope y'all ain't see that, boy. Oh, let's try again. Let me put this in the middle. I go. Damn, heavy the fuck? No. Oh. Wait. Let me lay down.
You gotta hold on.
Oh, no, wait. No, wait. Ow! You should have known this shit was going. That shit not put into my weed. The fuck?
This is why.
That is embarrassing. Ow!
What the hell do you do here?
I literally scraped. Bruh, y'all, it's time to go.
Hell.
We're on the next. I don't know what the fuck.
Oh shit, don't kick me, motherfucker. Wait.
probably why this was out anyway.
I was looking at myself.
For what? Nate.
You gotta get on this.
Spin him.
He starts spinning.
Then get up and walk. Carrie said, get on it. We're not past you. Get on it. Nigga, don't pay the drums.
I'm not getting my ass on this shit.
Y'all, don't try like her wig. You don't even look like a wig. It's so
piss me
cute. Oh, shit. Hold on. Y'all, we on the seesaw. Where my legs go? Oh, shit.
It's a workout.
Wait.
I don't think this is what I was supposed to do, but it works. Can I sit here still? Your ass over here bouncing and shit.
It's like, what's going on?
I don't think. Wait.
Oh, what?
Cause I don't have nothing to hold his legs. You do.
Bro, this shit ghetto, bro.
Y'all
both shaking me. Whoa. Yo.
Wait, no, cause wait, look. You gotta see the way you bouncing.
Why am I bouncing like this? Like, there's no reason you should be bouncing this hard. And like, Kanai's normal. She's just bouncing like. Stop, bro.
You're stupid.
I'm.
Hey, stand up.
Okay. You gotta be bouncing up and down. She bouncing like a damn energized bunny. Just bouncing.
Wait,
I didn't even realize. Look at his side. He has nothing there. Wait, can I move? Can I move?
right here. I'm like,
Bro, it's nothing there. Then this, can I move? This side got a whole back.
I'm gonna fall out this shit. Hold on,
Yeah,
wait.
like, that one dangerous.
Let me hold her.
All right, let's see. Let's try. Nah, she's still bouncing. She's still bouncing, bro.
It's not that bad. I can hold it though.
Okay, come on.
I had to sneeze.
Okay, y'all. See y'all another day. I don't know what day. Y'all, while I'm just sitting here, right? And then I look over and I see this. Oh. I don't know. Yeah, but I'm on this. I don't even know what this is, but I'm on it. We all on it. Karen, you gotta come up here with us. Come show them me. Show them me.
It's a real question.
Don't zoom in.
Oh. Now you see that sign. Your big
I can hear.
19-year-old ass on there.
Okay. See y'all another time. Trying to be funny, ho.
What she say? No, but suck my dick. I just heard her. I thought she finna hit a forward roll down there. Really did think she was getting Wait, when did Kanai got his hair, bro?
Bro, he just be doing stuff. Look at Karen. Bro, look at Karen to y'all.
Kanai, they looking like Johnny.
I just know they not recording the music.
Right, you gotta take that.
I'm gonna try to record them without them seeing me, but it's, I got a whole camera, so like.
Get out the picture.
Oh, what the? Karen, yeah, I can't do it. I ain't gonna lie. Huh? Oh my God, these mosquitoes! Y'all look at the mosquito. I'm trying to record them. The mosquito, no. Yeah, they trying to hide. And they recording off the phone. They need my camera. I pay y'all to use my camera on my mom. And I will send y'all money.
I'll send y'all the video right now.
I'll send y'all the video right now. Y'all send me money fast. Oh, yeah, she finna get those. All right, y'all, I'm done for. I don't know when I'm gonna see y'all.
Let me put you on the Wi-Fi. She not even on the Wi-Fi. Don't do too much.
Y'all Wi-Fi is chill.
Let me put you on there. I'm finna hang up on him. He finna piss me off. I think he hung up because I was.
Call Alex. Wody. Type Wody. This nigga, he probably is asleep.
Are you here with Joanne?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so like you ain't pop out like Miami shut down. Tallahassee moving.
They black. Yeah, he's literally the only one laughing.
That's why you almost failed.
Did I just not scare your ass? That battle, bro. I just scared the fuck up out y'all ass. What the fuck he say? I was spinning a block about that ass.
Y'all, I'm with Alex B.
Hold on. Rolling back to back, smoking like Jamaican.
Yeah.
Dirty plane crash, do you want a face on? And my pockets fatter, hell they look like face. Free my dog about that can I'm singing Akon. What he say? This a Hellcat, fuck your bumblebee. Nigga said he got on many jeans, it's only one of me.
Tired. Alright, you can take me to like Panda Express.
Who's accurate?
Alright, come on. Still a bit.
Alright.
Push start, bro. Hey, Bigfoot so. Almost took my shit.
Him in the car.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Huh?
You gotta stuff him in the car so it start up.
Oh shit. Come on. One hand.
Here. I could have beat you. I could have beat her.
I'm scared. What if I drop it? Can y'all see through the window? Yeah, his tents are weak. He swear he got the best tent. I can see. Wait, actually, that's how it's supposed to be. You're not supposed to be able to see through the inside.
Why does he keep stepping on my foot, bro? That's,
Yeah,
that's 2 times. Strike 3 is a fucking kill.
Fuck. We just need you.
Drop the shoe, please. This is harassment, bro. And it's on camera. I'm asking for that footage so I can report it to
I
you.
don't even know how to work this. How I zoom in?
Why you reaching?
You say how I zoom in? Oh, there we go.
Look your Hellcat, this is Bumblebee. Nigga said he got house jeans. Bro, come on, disrespecting my stuff, bro.
Get him, Ari. Like my shoes. Right, get him in the car. Alright, open the door. Open the door.
The door open. Oh shit.
He's not gonna drive. Oh. Get in the car. Get in the car. Come on.
Yo.
Alex. Get in the fucking car. Oh.
Get the fuck out of my face. What are you trying to do, Alex? Is that you okay?
She's defeated.
That shit gay, bro. Give me the camera, bro.
Oh.
Camera, bro. Don't fucking end my clip.
Huh?
Don't fucking end my clip.
Oh, where the gum at?
Yeah, that shit gone. Ain't even my gum. Just folded back, bro.
Because those not hers.
That's a boy.
Them hers, man.
Oh.
Them hoes can't take what's on.
Where's our? I don't even see our milkshakes.
Them hoes can't take
Because
it.
they slow as fuck in there making them out.
You gotta be like, thanks,
I
man.
can bust a left when I leave, right?
I'm like, thanks, man.
Yes.
And then I gotta bust a what? A right.
And then I'm looking to the nigga.
Hi, man. My name's Alex.
You're fucking stupid, though.
You have 3 Oreo shakes?
Yes.
It's like a fucking AI. Nigga sound like an AI. Yes. Safety first, guys. Don't want to hear that bullshit. Controller. What? Y'all, she's so scared. It looks so much better. Fuck the police. Fuck the police. My light's not on. You see Papa, I just act like I'm getting fun.
When you say these niggas change, I was just saying these niggas weren't really, they would've had a nigga think. One day I'll run away with my good feeling and take it to the bank. Folks sticking.
Wait, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what exit you came out of.
Fuck, hold on.
Turn right onto Westridge Industrial Boulevard.
I think I know now.
I low-key did want cookout.
See, and then I was gonna say just go to cookout.
Where you at? You said what? You still in, so you at? Wow. Are you lying? She said she had Papa John's. What Papa John's?
At the next light, turn right.
Shut up.
Why you ain't just, I mean, we finna go back to my house.
Am I still recording?
Yeah, I was finna say this.
Like a running back, too fast, I taking the 8 I'ma fuck on your
Y'all wanna see me twerk?
fucking your bitch, I'ma give her back.
Turn the camera towards me and put. She wanted to have camera time so bad. I don't need camera time. I turn this bitch on myself. Copyright. Oh. Let's call Angel. She is in ATLD and THD. ATLD and THD, that's where I'm from. She's not far. Y'all finna.
Hello.
Damn.
Hello.
It's hard though.
I'm up the street around the corner.
Okay, so baby, when you get here, the problem is there's no parking in the parking garage, but there's a residence parking, like literally a floor up, and they got.
Yeah, we fell in love with each other.
I just feel like you could get in there. You know,
At this point, I don't even think I want to go no more. This traffic is pissing me off. Everybody and their mama pissing me off right now.
Well, yeah, I did tell you it was traffic.
Yeah, you told me it was traffic. I seen it was traffic, but nobody told me it was this type of fucking traffic.
Oh, y'all, I'm with my little.
I can't even see your black ass.
We can work with Don't piss me off.
Y'all.
Bow, she whoopie, y'all.
Whooping. Whoop. Oh, whooping. Oh,
No man, I ain't recruiting, no new friends, but we bad, filled with bands, now sexy, do your dance. Boy, you know this ass super fat. Hey, he wanna kiss me all over my tag. I'm so feel myself 'cause I know that I'm there. Trust a nigga, that's a no.
Alright, y'all, show over. Why Angel in front of this car? We honking the horn. We trying to make it seem like Angel honking.
You ready?
Like, why aren't they honking back? Like,
Maybe they know it's not.
how do they know it's not her?
Yeah, like hump back or something.
I'll wait till light turns
I don't need to hear your horn.
okay.
She gonna honk.
You finna honk or no?
Oh, I forgot.
What the fuck? So no
It is
honking.
sexy.
Is that the same car?
Don't turn with this too.
Hell.
Why are we braking so hard?
Why is she not honking?
Never mind. Bye, friends.
Hey y'all. So today, me and the same folks I be with in every freaking vlog is going to a car meet. OTD is this crop top, I love me, some black tights, and my, as Prime would say, my mascot boots. But what I was gonna say, yeah, we're finna go to a car meet and we're gonna see how this car meet go. Hopefully it's like, you know, lit, whatever. I will not be close to them cars because them videos that I be seeing on the internet, I be like, but yeah, so let's see what we're gonna get into today. It's usual, waiting on Carrington, y'all. She texted me she's gonna be on the way in like, she texted me that like 10 minutes ago. She lives like maybe not even 4 minutes away from me, like. But I'm gonna see y'all when we get there.
Gas station.
Where the hell you at?
I mean, I'm turning into it, but I should have parked at this first gas station instead of going the way I'm going.
Okay.
Well, I mean, it's parking.
Crazy as the hell, nigga. You gonna wait.
Yeah. Don't crash over here, baby. Shit. She don't come over here with that shit.
They are tripping.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Hell no.
Damn, they did this shit in their car.
What the fuck? Are they outside? Where the fuck Zay at, bro? This is embarrassing. Zay, where the fuck you at? Oh wait, that's y'all? Shit. Finna take this big ass mic off. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what's going on. Guys, yeah, we whooping. Sorry. We whooping, bro. Lead up on like they still there and the police there and shit. Damn! Get the fuck over! Yo, look at this. This reminded me of the summer. Oh, I forgot music. Copyright. This is funny.
What the fuck y'all doing? They need to call somebody. Hell. Church is already deep.
Damn, another police.
Take my head to CVS.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Why are they running? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Oh. It stink. Bro, it's too much going on. They had speeding.
Shit, I think that was Angel right there.
For real?
Yeah.
Your call has been forwarded to an
aunt. Piss me the fuck off. Angel, what you talking about?
Hello? Bro, where are y'all?
Y'all actually have no life. Why are y'all screaming?
Bro. Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Y'all is hell, bro. I think we saw y'all, bro.
Oh my god.
She talking about this shit funny. Y'all had to run for y'all. Oh, yeah, I ain't want to be a part of that one.
Well, right here, that's why. It's another.
It's a new law, nigga.
Y'all gotta see this
bro,
shit.
Angel need to call Carrington or something.
Yeah, like y'all not seeing shit either.
Trinity be whooping so bad, y'all. Look at these videos. Oh shit. Y'all, we had like the third location. Leave the parking lot now. Oh, where the fuck is Angel, bro? Leave the parking lot now. Y'all, let me call somebody. That nigga said leave the parking lot now.
Out of me.
They know that we're like literally on the look for locations, so it's police everywhere.
She just got here too.
Bro, he said leave the parking lot now. The police, bruh.
Oh, the police down.
How do y'all get these addresses so fast? Well, let me talk to Zebra.
No.
Let me talk to Zay. Well, how do we get in the location so fast?
I don't know. Somebody.
Like, then y'all got them on like.
I don't know if I'm supposed to be going straight or what. Should I just follow
they ass, bro.
But I don't even know, like.
Wait.
No.
Where the location? They going around, I think. What else? I don't know, y'all.
I don't know.
Get it.
I can't zoom in though.
Look, y'all.
Boy, I gotta drive.
I got it. Bro, they're literally fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting in the middle. Bro. No.
I'm being so nosy.
That's
why they turned around like
the way, bro. Oh my goodness, I wish I got it from the beginning. The way they turned around. Hold on, why you turn this up? What the fuck you doing?
We're both going the same fucking place. All of us are going to the same fucking place.
The way that car turned around at that light, bro, I'm like, bro, they going the wrong way. Like, what are they doing? They turned around and all I seen the thing right here moving like this. But I'm like, are they like, they know each other? Are they fighting, bro? That nigga got out the car and they started just fucking fighting. Like,
damn.
They're drunk. Like, I don't know, y'all.
Like the way they just
burst
that shit around.
Bro, I swear, I wish I would have got that. Okay, y'all, that shit was crazy.
What the fuck are y'all arguing about?
Literally, like, huh? Like, what is there to argue about? Yeah, we had a new location. I don't know. Say, for real, bro. What do you have? Nigga, like, what the fuck?
Bro, it's the same white boy that pull up to every fucking
He be at everyone doing that shit? Damn, nigga. You should know his name. What's going on? Oh, okay, I'm outside for this one now. Hold on. Let me make sure I'm far back. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I'm making sure I'm far back. I be seeing the videos of them niggas flying and shit. Oh, hell no. My tripod ain't long like that. They need like that long ass tripod. What the hell? Y'all not that bold. That whole outside the car. You better hold on. Like for real. Yeah, true. In a cut. They cutting up, ain't it? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's the people that's like at the lights. Like
they trying to get home.
It's the people that's at the lights, but like, are they trying to go home? Like, oh.
No, the people that's at the lights, they like with airdrop, they stopped it. Not the ones that.
Yeah, not the ones. It's some people trying to get fucking home now. Oh shit, he popped it.
They told us I'm like, shoot
up. They blowing the horn. They angry as fuck. It's probably them calling the police. Flag out the front? Oh hell no. Hold on. Baby, that Super Bowl, baby. That Super Bowl, baby. That nigga got the flag out. What that mean? Wait, maybe it's a car flag. That's a crowd. That's that crowd flag. Oh fuck, no. Hell no. Yeah, what flag that is? What is that? Is that a goddamn Caribbean flag? Hold on, y'all. I'm not sure, bro.
What flag that for real?
No, for real, like, y'all, what flag that is? Hold on, I'm trying to see some. Do that mean like Crips and like? All right, let me stop saying that for real. That shit just saw green laser on that tire. I don't know about y'all. I don't know about y'all. Unless I'm tripping. Unless I'm tripping.
It wasn't a laser. It was a thing from the.
It wasn't a laser. It wasn't a laser. I had that last time.
It was the smoke shit. The little pop that did.
Okay. I know. She wasn't playing. I wasn't playing. I'm like, hold on. I'm not gonna lie, Marta had probably pissed as fuck right now.
I can't deliver my people.
What they gonna say?
I can't deliver my people. Don't get these fucking kids.
Bro, you hell, bro. Marta trying to get by, bro. They not even trying. Like, they not even trying. Okay, they letting y'all go, bro. Y'all better go while y'all can. Like,
that shit's scary. I know they clutch. I know they clutch.
That's another Marta bus. Yeah, it's another Marta bus.
Oh hell.
Wait, let the Marta come by. Oh, the light green. That all the people that was running them. Y'all, I promise y'all, the closest content, closest y'all getting is this shit. So y'all better appreciate this. Zaya got all that content. I'm talking about Zay be behind the damn exhaust stick. How he be? Wait, how he be? Right there, look, this the car. This the car. This Zay. This Zay. You like this? Look, you the car. I'm Zay. Oh, wicked shit.
So they'll quit. I'm talking about this vlog might be an hour long. I'm talking about. Cause y'all, this is literally a collective vlog. Like, this is long.
Y'all, they letting Marta by. They letting Marta by. They letting them by. They letting them by. Now, this shit crazy. Ain't even on that fucking bus. They said stop playing with me, I'll hit y'all ass. Let me by. I feel you though. They gotta go home. Like, what you doing? Like, I'm finna keep playing with these folks. She gotta, what she doing? And the light green? Yeah.
He said, boo, you get moved.
Right, he said, I don't care what y'all do, I'm getting through. Okay. He like I'll push all y'all niggas.
Below, yeah. Got to look below, y'all.
He like, I gotta meet Alaska in the morning. You know, they be going far. They be going like to Alabama and shit. Yo, it's full. Like, it's the folks out. What is it? I like to get y'all on camera running. I like to get folks on camera running. Oh shit, fuck, I gotta run too. What the fuck, everything? People running. Oh my. It's not unlocked though. I was like, wait, where's Carrington? Like, did you come? You fell?
It was a puddle and I couldn't see it.
Oh, you fell down?
Yes.
Like how I fell down that hill?
Yes.
Oh my, where was Angel?
She was in front of me. I couldn't go back up.
Yeah, look. Oh.
And I just cleaned
That bitch went, goddamn.
Been went to ride the four-wheelers. Trying to think, do I remember where I came from? Yeah, I do. Yeah, this crazy. I don't know when I'm gonna see y'all, but yeah, tune in, y'all. I'm telling y'all, nettemariettee is where to be. Like, I get all the footage for real. Hello?
We got the next low. We got the next.
I mean, I don't even know which way you went.
Do y'all know y'all friend fell in mud?
Oh, they watched me.
Oh, they watch you fall.
Yeah. Did Angel come back for me? No, Trinity did.
Oh. Man, Angel, get the fuck out that buggy. Oh my. Oh. Wait. Oh hell no. They ass tripping bad. Yo, they just hit out of that car. Oh.
I'm gonna get my motherfucking car hit.
They just, bitch, you better move. Look. Oh, they going crazy over here too. Ow. Oh my gosh, guys.
I know it. I just got my shit back.
We almost got Oh, long as he say his tire, wait, hell no, hold on, y'all. Where the fuck do I go if he come flying this way? He ain't got no tires. Yeah, he's killing me, like, he's killing me. He's... Yeah, I'm gonna get hit, bro. When you see black people fucking around, what the fuck do you do? Nigga, they ass is surrounded by the fucking car. They finna get hit. Y'all, Logan's on behind this nigga right here.
If Daddy got the gun, that's how to go.
You had the best view, my boy. You had the best view, like, hell yeah. Yeah, he's the, I'm just here. I'm just living.
Oh, that's a bitch. That's a bitch. Is that a bitch?
Oh, she whipping them. I promise.
Oh, that ain't a bitch.
I thought that was. Now she getting. You're finna get hit while you're trying to twerk. That bitch was trying to twerk, bitch. You're finna die.
It's a bitch.
Oh hell no, these hoes don't care about their life. They really don't care. I love my life. I don't know.
This shit lit. I got love. This shit got lit.
I want to stop recording, but I just feel like y'all got to see everything I'm seeing. Like, this is Nette Mariette. What? You said what?
I think Food Depot open. I need some drinks.
Shit. My ass finna go to Food Depot.
I need some drinks.
Oh, running. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Everybody running. Oh, shit. Where's Say? Oh, Say me already. Bro. This nigga is a oh, shit. Damn. Oh, hell. That nigga Say. That nigga in the car.
Oh, he made it.
That nigga Say.
Oh, back out.
I can't get out. Oh, pull in like this.
Literally.
We're gonna be like this. We're gonna be the last.
They're not gonna do shit though.
Yeah, I know they're not gonna do nothing, but.
So why the fuck do we be?
Y'all just see fall or trip or whatever the. Y'all, that nigga Zay be on the fuck.
Where the fuck did he come from?
I don't know. That the police call his phone directly and say, nigga, we're on the way. Be at the car because what the fuck? I can't even talk. I can't even breathe. She the one where I was twerking. Y'all look at the front of that car. Can't go by trendy, yeah. Why is we on the phone? Damn. What?
Damn.
She ain't gonna get the sparks.
I mean, in the middle.
She can just stay right. Oh my god. What's she calling for? Hello? Like, do I record it? Oh my goodness.
Party over.
And she talking about popping. How the fuck is gonna pop?
Party over.
I don't know how that happened. This shit crazy.
Damn. Scoot it up so much.
Oh, y'all can make some
Bro, what the fuck?
Fuck.
Take your headlight out. Unplug it. Yeah, but leave that shit right. Hold on, don't rip the wire.
Hold on. Oh, the wire. Hold on.
Well. Oh. Where your ride? What's your look? Look at Angel. Firework? Ain't no damn firework. Look at not playing. She need to come get in front of us. Angel! whole time. He got on the cooking outfit. Oh. Alright, now they gonna start shooting y'all. And oh. Look at the fire. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here now.
I know you fucking lying.
Yeah, I know you lying.
Hell no.
This nigga is lit as fuck.
He got chucky.
Alright, reverse person right here.
Oh, look at that bitch.
Y'all, so I'm back home now. I ain't gonna lie. I might just do my tattoo. Its own separate video. So I might use that footage for my new video. Y'all see a little sneak peek. Or whatever. But this is the end of this video. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. To tell their mother, mama, period. Because nettemariettee is where it's at. I'm trying to get this video fast, y'all, as possible. Because, like, yeah. I just gotta make a thumbnail and figure out what the hell I'm gonna put on a thumbnail. So, yeah.